Solder. Sometimes we have a problem because if I don't have rolling mill to put it through, when I bite it, sometimes it's really thick. So when I'm going to cut the pallion, it's getting really strong and tense, so sometimes I'm not able to. And I might need a little bit smaller. What do? So I'm going to have a steel block, take the solder, hold it from one side, from outside, so keep away your fingers from the steel block, and then slowly I hammer it to make it flat. But also in the meantime, I don't hammer with different tempos and really hard, just a little bit. As I can see that I can make it a little bit thinner. So this one now, as you can see, it's half thinner than the body that I bought before, than the solder that I had before. So now if you think that's really strong and tense, you can anneal it a little bit, but still just be careful, because I don't expect to be red here, because this solder, it's gonna froze really quick. Just place a little bit fire on the top, really smooth and nice before starts melt. So in this case it's gonna be a little bit softer. And now I can have a really small bit of solder and thin, and I can cut them also really easy comparison with the thick side that I had at the beginning. So this is how I'm going to make solder thinner if I don't have rolling mill.